Today we trail a 2006 Ducati M620. This is an interesting one. Be aware of the second vehicle, presuming the way is clear. Van pulls across fine. What needs to be considered are two things: the possibility of a trailer with or without lights, and the other point is a second vehicle that is making the assumption the way is clear. Sure, the van went, I'm going to go as well. And remember, no one is seeing anyone quickly here. The second vehicle is blocked by the van. Doesn't see the Ducati until now. The Ducati, if he trucks on like the van is the only vehicle crossing, then it is the Ducati that leaves himself open. Best tactic for this is to play this one safe. If in the position of the Ducati, you could possibly maintain speed, quick look over the right shoulder, lower speed consistently, approaching that van as if there is something coming after that van, be it a trailer or be it a second vehicle. Remembering all this footage is slowed down with the benefit of hindsight. The video is not in any way to criticize any of the riders, and really just a few quick observations and a few actions that I would like to think I would be able to take if I had the time in the exact position as the Ducati. If you have something to add, or if you disagree with any of the observations made, drop it in the comments and they will be read by viewers, and your comments will be taken on board to improve future videos in this series. Hit subscribe on YouTube if you want to follow the next few of these. Tap the bell button for future notifications. Hope you can take something from it. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.